Want your Shopify store to look amazing and reflect your brand perfectly? Today I'll show you how to choose and add the perfect theme to your store. Start from your Shopify homepage and click Online Store on the left menu. This takes you to the Themes section where you can manage current themes and explore new ones. Next, click Add Theme in your theme library. You'll see three options. Visit Shopify Theme Store for free and premium themes. Upload a zip file if you already have a theme from a third party, or connect from GitHub if you're syncing development work directly from a repository. Scroll down to explore free themes curated by Shopify. These are perfect for beginners or anyone looking for clean, modern designs at no cost. Click Add on any theme you like, and it will appear in your library, ready to customize and activate. And that's it. Choosing the right Shopify theme is all about reflecting your brand, enhancing your store's look, and providing the best experience for your customers.